Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how we can export the image on Canva project in 300 dpi. So normally in Canva, you cannot find any option to change your dpi. So I will show you very quick in this video my solution to export image in Canva with 300 dpi. So normally you can choose share option over here, and in the download option, we will have the PNG by default over here. The problem is to increase the dpi of your image, you need to upgrade to Canva Pro. I will try to download this image. I will open the image and choose the file info over here. You can see we only have 96 dpi for the image. So now I will show you how to make this dpi higher. You will come back to the Canva project and you choose share option. You will choose download again, and the PNG is not suitable for you. The best way for you to export an image with the highest quality for free Canva account is using PDF print over here. This one will help you to export maximum image quality on Canva free account. So I will choose PDF print over here, and you can see we have many options. You just need to download over here, and then it will download for you a complete PDF file. Okay, you can see we have a very high resolution PDF over here. And now to change this PDF to an image with 300 dpi, you will search on Google PDF 24. I will choose PDF 24 over here. I will scroll all the way down. We have many tools over here. You need to find a tool called PDF to image over here. You will choose this tool, and you need to choose the PDF file you download before. I will choose a PDF file and upload this PDF file here. So now you can type in any kind of DPI you want to convert from the PDF. So I will choose 300 DPI over here. The quality of the image is 100%. We will keep all the colors, and the format is PNG. Now I will choose convert. Okay, the jobs are complete. I will download the result. Okay, now you can see here we have completely new image with very high resolution, and you can check the file info over here. We have the very big size, 7 megabyte, and we have 300 dpi. This one we're looking for, so you can compare to the old image. I put the old image over here for you to compare. This is the old image that download directly, and you can see over here this one just 14 kilobyte with 96 dpi, and this one is totally different. This one is 7 megabyte with 300 dpi, so it's very suitable for you to some printing or presentation. And you can see right away how bad is the image quality when you're using Canva free accounts. So by my solution, you can use Canva free account to download high quality image for you to have some printing or to send to your client as the best quality of the image. That is all my videos. If you found my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.